Are you fed up with Porn Star Martinis? Perhaps you want to make something a little bit different with your vanilla vodka of choice. Perhaps you want to find a passion fruit cocktail that's even better than a Porn Star Martini. Well, if that's you, you're in the right place, because in this video, I've got 3 easy cocktails for you to try, but each of them include your vanilla vodka, your passion fruit puree, and lime juice. So why am I making this video? Well, it's early 2026. I'm 9 hen parties into the season, and not one hen party has asked for the Porn Star Martini. So I'm now asking the question, in the UK, are we now past Porn Star Martinis? Don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And to give you more data on that story, in my previous 1400 plus hen parties, I've only ever not done the Porn Star Martini about 5 or 6 times. So for your first riff, we are going for a Spritz. Spritzes are huge here in the UK. Many ways to do a Spritz. I'm not using bubbly, and I'm not using cider. For those of you that watched the Christmas video, we're going for something completely different, but a whole load of fun. So ingredient 1 is your vanilla vodka of choice. I'm not going to get preachy about brands. I'm going 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. Second ingredient is your passion fruit. This is a puree syrup, so it's slightly sweeter than, say, Funkin' or Boiron, so you might need to adapt your recipes in other ways. I'm just going that 20 ml of the Real. Ingredient 3, 10 to 15 ml of lime juice. Quick shake and strain that into your favourite wine glass, highball or gin balloon, whatever you're using. And then I said I wasn't going to use bubbly or cider. How about some hard seltzer? Good old White Claw. I've got the mango here, but you could quite easily use the passion fruit, the lime, the raspberry, whatever you're tasting. Why not use these instead of Prosecco or champagne or cider? So just top that up. I gotta say, that tastes pretty damn good. All the hallmarks of a Porn Star Martini: vanilla, passion fruit, lime. Then you've got your fizzy element, without it being champagne, which is Prosecco. Got this lovely sort of, I've not really had these. There's no sweetness to that at all. It's just like mango, fizzy mango water. Now for recipe 2, we're going to add in a touch of coconut and a touch of grenadine. So like a little riff on the hurricane. So first ingredient, 45 ml of your vanilla vodka, 20 ml of your passion fruit puree, 20 ml this time of your lime juice. Then the first ingredient we're going to add in this time is a coconut liqueur, and yes, Malibu will work. We just want about 15 ml. And then the 5th ingredient, we're going grenadine this time. This grenadine is very high in pomegranate, but also a touch of cherry in there. So we just want about 10 ml. Then after a good shake, if you've used enough ice, you'll easily fill up a hurricane glass. I mean, it's fun, it's delicious. You've got vanilla, passion fruit, and citrus. You've got a subtle note of coconut in there. What's not to love about that? It's not a Porn Star Martini. It tastes totally different to a Porn Star Martini, but equally as good. Now for your final riff, I'm just simply going to add in some pineapple juice and some almond. First ingredient, 45 ml of your vanilla vodka, 20 ml of your passion fruit puree, 15 ml, half an ounce of lime juice. When it comes to pineapple juice, try to use 100% pressed pineapple juice, because it does taste so much better from the stuff from concentrate. And we're just going for 45 ml. Then for your 5th and final ingredient, we're going for orgeat syrup. Orgeat, for those of you that don't know, is simply an almond syrup. Some brands stop there, but most proper orgeats have got either orange blossom water in it, or in this case, rose water in it. So we just want 10 ml. Now after a quick shake, just strain into your favorite glass over fresh ice. That is simple, that is fun. I love almond and pineapple juice anyway. That's a great combo. The passion fruit, the vanilla comes through there. It's almost layers. You get layers of Porn Star Martini because of the vanilla, passion fruit and lime, but then you get that whole pineapple and almond thing. That's fantastic. So there we go. There's 3 great alternatives for your vanilla vodka, your lime, and your passion fruit puree. What alternative suggestions have you got? Or do you still love a Porn Star Martini? Let me know below. Cheers.